Hello, I welcome you all to this wonderful lesson. So this is a chemistry lesson that I want us to look at, and specifically this question is falling under a topic called bonding. So like we know, chemistry, you are not advised to master questions, but you need to know the concept behind the question that is asked, because chemistry, though, they don't repeat same questions. So the key thing is understanding what you are taught. That is the reason why I try by all means to explain, so that you try to understand and know how to answer another question that may come in your exams. So the question is saying element E has atomic number 7. The first question here, they're telling you to say identify element E. They want you to identify element E. How can you identify element E? By definition, you know that an element is a substance made up of one type of material that cannot be split either by chemical means or physical means. So identify element E. Just this sentence here that is given there, that phrase, atomic number 7. The other name for atomic number is proton number. So proton number 7, you go on your periodic table, you check an element that has got proton number 7. You are going to discover that it is what? It is nitrogen. That is why the answer there is what? Nitrogen. That is how you need to answer the question. What is the name of the gas? They want you to name now this gas that is there. So this is a what? This is a gas. You need to make sure that you understand concepts in the chemistry. So here they are telling us to say name the gas. They are not telling us to write the chemical formula. The question is saying name the gas. So we've identified that this element E is nitrogen. So nitrogen is like this, bonded to how many atoms of hydrogen? 1, 2, 3. So I put a 3. Just by looking at this, I think even the name has come, which is what? Ammonia. So that is ammonia. This is what you need to get and understand. This is ammonia. Then we've got this other question that is saying, write the chemical formula of the gas. So they want you to write the chemical formula of the gas, which is this one. So the chemical formula of the gas is NH, then you put a 3 there. So this is the chemical formula of the gas. This one that is here is the name of the gas. Then element E that was not mentioned there, it is nitrogen. So you get to have questions that do come in an exam where they are going to tell you to say what type of bonding holds the atoms together in this compound. So the type of bonding that gets to hold atoms together in that compound, it is called covalent bonding. That is the type of bonding. So I've said in that compound. In chemistry, you need to make sure that each term that you get to use, you know its definition. So whenever we are talking about a compound, this is a chemical combination of two or more substances. So whenever we are talking about a compound and a mixture, the difference is that whenever we are dealing with a mixture, no new compound is formed. But a compound, for us to form a compound, new materials are formed. So now, in this thing that is here, which is a gas, we know and understand that this is covalent bonding. Why? Because covalent bonding is a type of bonding that only gets to exist between what? Non-metals. So any type of bonding that will exist between non-metals, we get to call that as covalent bonding. We also have ionic bonding, but in this particular lesson, I'm not teaching about this. My focus is what? My focus is covalent bonding. We also have another one that is called metallic bonding. We've got a lot of bonding, but all levels, these are the only things that you are supposed to know and understand. We have about 5 types of bonding, but all level chemistry, we just need to understand these three. 1, 2, 3. So ionic gets to exist between a metal and a non-metal. Metallic is just between the metals. This is what you need to understand. You can also have a question to say, state one physical property of the gas that is due to the type of bonding. So they are telling you to say, what is the property of covalent bonding, or what are the properties for covalent bonding? Some of the properties is that these ones do not conduct electricity. Have you seen? These ones do not conduct electricity. But when we go to ionic bonding, these ones get to conduct electricity. This is what you are supposed to know. These are some of the things you need to get and understand. You can also have another question that may come to say, name another compound which has the same type of bonding. So they're telling you to say other compounds that can undergo this same type of bonding. So which are what? We've got methane can undergo covalent bonding. This is methane. So as long as you stay connected to us, I'm going to teach you all these things, how we get to show them, how you need to understand them. You can also talk about what? You can also talk about hydrogen molecule, or oxygen gas. This is what? Oxygen gas, just between non-metals. So whenever we are talking about metallic now, you can just be given a question to say, show the bonding of zinc in this. So you need to know, okay, is that what between zinc atoms? So you can have something like this. You can also have carbon dioxide. You can also have what? Carbon dioxide. This is what you are supposed to know. So let's make sure that we like the video. Let's make sure that we subscribe and follow this page or channel. So now, for those of you that could like to join my tuitions, I do tuitions in mathematics, chemistry, physics, and biology. We are also doing English. So you can WhatsApp me on this number. This is my WhatsApp number. We are going to help you get that grade that you've always wanted to get. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Stay blessed.